Apply Bifen or Talik as a perimeter barrier by spraying a prepared solution 4 feet up from the foundation all the way around the house for continuous protection. Mix according to the product label using calibrated measuring tools and clean water, aiming for the labeled concentration for an exterior barrier treatment. Use a pump sprayer with a fan nozzle to produce medium to coarse droplets so the material adheres to vertical and horizontal surfaces without excessive drift. Work in strips so you cover from the foundation up to 4 feet, overlapping each pass by about 50% to avoid gaps in the barrier, and include a light overspray into adjacent flower beds and mulch to intercept ants and other foraging insects. Treat known entry points like door thresholds, windowsills, weep holes, crawlspace vents, and utility penetrations. Apply a slightly heavier wetting there, but do not puddle the solution. Avoid spraying on windy days or when rain is expected within 24 hours, and wear impermeable gloves, long sleeves, and eye protection while following label re-entry intervals. For spot treatments indoors such as voids and perimeter trim, use the same labeled dilution and apply as a coarse, low-pressure spray or use a foam adapter for voids to achieve lasting residual without soaking materials. A common mistake is applying too light a coverage which leaves gaps in the barrier. Fix this by overlapping passes and inspecting for mist streaks after drying. People often spray on windy days and lose product to drift, which reduces efficacy and risks non-target exposure. Stop work if wind picks up and wait for calm conditions. Another frequent issue is over-application that causes runoff and plant damage. Avoid puddling, respect label limits per 1,000 square feet, and limit applications to recommended rates to protect landscaping. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners connect with local contractors who work on pest control and exterior spraying, and lets contractors find projects and grow their customer base. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, ask questions, and discuss best practices for perimeter applications.